Hi there, and thanks for joining us here on Prepper's Discount. Today we're going to be talking about a new product that we have that many customers, many of you guys have been asking for, and we have finally finished developing and testing, and very excited about releasing. So get yours today. I'll show you what it's all about. This is the C-sized quick release adapter. So you've got your standard adapter, threaded adapter. This is our new C mini tube. Normally, this would be threaded on. Now what we've done is we've come up with a two-piece adapter that you will get like this. It's a spring-loaded adapter. We made a nice little knurl end on it, and this threads onto your barrel, and it actually looks kind of nice. Still very clean look. Doesn't detract from the pistol, from the firearm. And you're going to wind up with this other piece that you're going to thread into your solvent trap tube. Whether it be a C-size Maglite flashlight, whether it be one of our C-size tubes with the knurl, or whether it be one of our minis. And as simple as this. And you're in. You're done. You are good to go. Very lightweight, very quick. Quick disconnect, works with the C Maglites. Boom, you're done. You're in. You're ready to go. Do all the cleaning in the world you want. Quick disconnect, pop it off, pop it on, and you're good to go. These have a rubber, I'll show you here. These have a rubber seal on them. So none of the fluid or any of the noxious gases escape from the tube. So it is airtight. It is a nice solid seal. No waver. It's tight. It does not wiggle. It does turn. It allows it to turn because it's a bearing. But very, very simple. Alright? Get yours today. It is for the C-size tubes only. We do not have a D yet, but it is coming. So hold tight. Get yours for the C, and you'd simply you would remove, I have another one here, you'd basically remove your adapter and screw it on. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching.